Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize low interest rates with Discover Card, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by exploring the features of the Discover Card to understand its low interest rates. Review the current interest rate offerings from Discover and compare them to market averages. Determine the type of purchases you plan to make using your Discover Card. Consider using your Discover Card for larger expenses, as the low interest rates can save you money over time. Make sure to read the terms and conditions regarding interest rates and any introductory offers. Take advantage of balance transfer options if you have existing debt on higher interest cards. Calculate potential savings by transferring your balance to your Discover Card. Monitor your spending and payment patterns to avoid accruing interest. Always aim to pay off your balance in full each month to maximize the benefits of low interest. Set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Use Discover's mobile app to keep track of your spending and remaining balance easily. Utilize any cashback incentives offered on purchases to further enhance your savings. Review your monthly statements for errors and keep track of your progress with interest savings. If possible, request a credit line increase to maintain a low credit utilization ratio. Stay informed about any changes in interest rates that Discover may implement. Regularly assess your financial goals and adapt your Discover Card usage accordingly. This strategic approach will help you optimize the benefits of low interest rates with your Discover Card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.